Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, and in today's video I have the Hafury Smart Enabled Fitness Watch. As always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Hafury Smartwatch is a device that connects to your Android or iOS mobile phone in order to provide information such as health and fitness tracking. In addition, the smartwatch can also provide information such as SMS message alerts and incoming call notifications. It has a 1.3-inch touchscreen display which is waterproof up to 38 degrees. Hafury also claimed that the smartwatch can last up to 10 normal service days on a full charge of battery, which almost sounds too good to be true. But I guess we can test this out later on in the video. In regards to the health and fitness tracking, the smartwatch can collect information such as your heart rate and step count, which can then be used to calculate your calorie burn. The device includes 9 exercise modes that provide data on your daily health analysis and improvements that can be made. Finally, the smartwatch can also detect your sleep quality and provide feedback on how you can get a good night's rest. Inside the box, you get the Hafury smartwatch, as well as one charging cable, and finally instructions on how to set up your device. The setup process is also pretty straightforward. Navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and then download the VeryFit Pro App. Once downloaded, you will then need to follow the steps on screen, and then the app will perform a search to locate your smartwatch. Once located, select your device and then confirm binding between your phone and watch. After this is done, you will then need to create a user profile, which will require information such as your height and weight. At this point, you can also set your daily targets, and once done and complete, the watch should now be connected to the app. The VeryFit Pro app is also super easy to use. The home page provides an overview of your current daily targets, as well as information on your sleep and heart rate. You can also view charts by selecting the Details tab to get a better overview of your weekly targets. The Device tab will allow you to enable a range of features and functionalities, such as SMS and WhatsApp notifications, as well as call alerts. By default, these features are turned off, so you'll need to enable this once you've downloaded the app. You can also enable your social media notifications to connect with the smartwatch. However, in my case, I've left this disabled. In addition, you can also set alarms, as well as sedentary alerts, which notifies you to move around and walk after a set period of time. Finally, you also get additional features such as music control and healthcare, amongst others as well. When using the smartwatch, by scrolling up, I can get instant information on my steps taken, distance covered, calories I've burned, and weekly results. When scrolling left, you have the sports feature option that can be used to collect data before you start your workout. Once you select the type of exercise you are doing, the stopwatch will then start and record data such as your heart rate, calories burned, and much more. In addition to the sports menu, you can also select the heart rate option that will provide information on your current heart rate, and the relax option, which performs breathing exercises to help you stay cool and relaxed. You also get a timer and stopwatch, as well as the settings menu below. When scrolling right, you can enable or disable automatic heart rate capture, wrist motion, do not disturb mode, and find my device. Finally, scrolling up will provide you notifications such as WhatsApp and SMS message alerts. Overall, I've been using this device for the last couple of days now, mainly for fitness reasons and the alerts I get from calls, messages, or WhatsApp. For fitness tracking, this device is amazing, as it provides me with all the information I need to ensure that I get the right amount of exercise on a daily basis. The heart rate monitor is also a great feature to have, alongside the relaxation mode. For alerts and notifications, the smartwatch is super handy to have in scenarios where my phone is not nearby. Unfortunately, the watch does not support wireless charging, which is a bit of a letdown, and I can't respond to messages or pick up calls directly from the watch. However, the 1.3-inch display would have made it hard to type a response, which I guess is probably the reason why Hafury decided not to add this. Yes, the Apple and Samsung watches have this feature built in. However, for the price I paid, the compromise in my opinion without these features was definitely worth it. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Hafury Smart Enabled Fitness Watch from Amazon for around £37, which I think is an absolute steal in comparison to Samsung Galaxy and Apple watches, which retails for more than £300. If you'd like to purchase the Hafury smartwatch, then you can find the link to purchase from Amazon in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Are you a fan of smartwatches? And is the Hafury Smartwatch a device that you would also purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.